Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the magic of secondary colours in interior design. Orange, green, and purple aren't just eye-catching, they're incredibly versatile, offering a fresh way to infuse personality into your home. These colours can warm up a room, add a sense of nature, or even bring a touch of luxury. Think about it. Each of these colours has its own distinct personality. Orange radiates energy and creativity, green channels a calming, natural vibe, and purple invites sophistication and playfulness. Today, we'll show you how to make these colours work beautifully in any space. To make secondary colours stand out, it's all about balance. Using them strategically as accents or focal points can help you achieve that perfect blend of vibrancy and harmony. And whether your style is bold and eclectic or soft and subtle, secondary colours can enhance your space in ways you might not expect. So grab a notebook and start jotting down ideas, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to bring these colours into your own home. Let's start with the basics. How these colours come together and what makes them so powerful in interior design. Secondary colours are created by mixing two primary colours. Orange comes from red and yellow, green from yellow and blue, and purple from red and blue. What makes them exciting is their duality. They carry traits from their primary origins, making them dynamic and versatile. They can serve as both accent and statement colours, allowing you to experiment with depth, texture, and personality. But colour isn't just about aesthetics, it's about emotion. Orange can energize, green can soothe, and purple can inspire. Using these shades strategically can change how a room feels and functions. For instance, combining these colours can feel playful or dramatic depending on their intensity. Saturated tones create impact, while softer versions can feel subtle and inviting. If you're unsure how to start, use a colour wheel to guide your choices. Think about complementary tones and consider using one or two secondary colours as accents while grounding the room with neutral elements. Now that you've got the basics, let's explore each colour more closely, starting with the vibrant energy of orange. Orange is one of the most stimulating colours you can add to your home. It's lively, warm, and encourages interaction, making it perfect for social spaces like kitchens and living rooms. An orange accent wall can instantly brighten up a living room. Pair it with greens or purples to create a layered look that feels bold and cohesive. Lighting is another great way to incorporate orange. Try bold pendant lights in your dining room to bring warmth and focus to the space. In bedrooms, burnt orange tones work wonderfully with darker purples to create a moody, luxurious retreat. For a home office, orange accents like a desk chair or wall art can spark creativity and energy without overwhelming the room. And in kids' spaces, orange is playful and cheerful, pairing well with pops of green for a lively, inviting vibe. Green is the ultimate grounding colour. It's associated with nature, so it instantly creates a sense of calm and balance. In bathrooms, green tiles combined with purple accents can create a spa-like retreat that feels both refreshing and unique. Don't be afraid to go bold with green wallpaper. Pair it with textures like velvet or natural wood to create a cozy yet polished look. In kitchens, green cabinets are versatile and timeless. Add orange lighting for a fun, unexpected twist. Even outdoor spaces can benefit from green. Cushions, plants, and subtle pops of orange can make your balcony or patio feel like an oasis. For a workspace, a green feature wall is grounding and refreshing, helping you stay focused throughout the day. Purple is where luxury meets creativity. Deep purples are dramatic and sophisticated, making them perfect for lounges or statement walls. On the softer side, lavender can make bedrooms feel serene and inviting, especially when paired with complementary tones like orange. For kids, purple adds a playful, magical touch. It pairs beautifully with bright greens and oranges for a fun, dynamic space. In hallways, a rich purple wallpaper can add depth and drama, while green sconces keep the look fresh and balanced. In dining rooms, a purple area rug under green chairs creates a vibrant yet elegant foundation for the space. In nurseries, pastel purples feel soft and soothing, perfect for creating a calming atmosphere for little ones. And that's the magic of secondary colours. From bold orange walls to calming green accents and luxurious touches of purple, these colours bring personality and vibrancy to any space. The best part? They work beautifully together or stand strong on their own. Let your creativity guide you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this colourful journey, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. See you next time.